What's going to happen to Solana and what's happening with all of you? Make sure you guys hit that like button. We're bringing to you some big news as it relates to FTX and them potentially selling off their assets later this week. Solana representative says, though, don't panic. FTX is not selling $685 million worth of SOL right now. So let's dive into this because this is the largest holding that FTX has. And we broke that down in an earlier video. Make sure you guys check that out in the hottest crypto news of the week video right here on this channel. Check that out for sure. But Solana Mobile Ambassador says no cause for alarm amid fears of FTX liquidation as the Solana price crashes. It has declined about 5%, making it down about 11% in the last week. The bearish performance is not unique, though, to Solana. It is a market-wide sell-off, and we can come over here and take a look at Sol, down about 10% now this week, sitting at $17. And when we look at the last year here for Sol, it's been a really wild ride here for Solana. We started the year under $10 right here at this point, and we went up for a little bit, spiked up to about $24, $25, even $26, and most recently $27 in July, and now we're coming back down. So are we going to retest this $15, $14 range? Do you think we're going to come all the way back down to $9? A lot of people now saying, well, just the market-wide sell-off coupled with FTX and the fact that they might liquidate its vast holdings in Solana-based assets could further decrease the price here in the short term. But I want to get into this article a little bit deeper and talk about the thoughts here, because Crypto Rover says FTX expected to receive approval to liquidate the following assets on September 13th. Solana right there, $685 million worth. Next up is their own FTT token. Now, Sol going under 5 ? The influencer noted that FTX proposed to sell $200 million in cryptocurrencies weekly. The revelation sparked significant attention from the crypto community, with many issuing bearish signals. Though prominent trader Bleeding Crypto said he feels no pity for anyone holding Solana after the revelation that FTX would dump over 600 million Sol. The trader argued it is better to sell Sol now and rebuy the digital asset within the $5 to $8 range. Similar conversation had a crypto enthusiast arguing that Sol was heading to 14 initially, but the FTX development will make it faster. And furthermore, in response to all of this, an ambassador of Solana Mobile had a counter viewpoint. The Solana ambassador argued that the FTX's collapse's aftermath was Solana's most significant setback. He highlighted that the event saw Sol crash to $8, yet the coin has since recovered to trade above 20. At least it was now trading at around $17.58 at the time of this recording. He mentioned that the crypto community should be less worried about the 600 million sales, as it is expected to take place over the course of 5 years. But should we still be concerned? And my take on this is yes. I would be concerned about the price of Solana in the short term. Now, just kind of depends on where you are with your Solana holdings, how much of this is in your portfolio, how bullish you are on Solana long term to get by all of this FTX drama, what kind of fundamentals brought you into Solana, right? You have to weigh all these things out, and it's different for everybody depending on how much they hold, where their average cost is, and what their sentiment is for the future, right? But do I think there's more downside risk here with everything that we know with Solana? Yes, and I'll continue to say that $14 range is a range that I'm watching for. I do think we're going to touch that at some point here this week, as long as this market continues to bleed out holistically. And I think there has been a lot of discussion about FTX being able to liquidate, if not all, some of its Solana-based assets. Now, admittedly, I don't understand fully if FTX has to abide by selling Solana in small chunks, or if they can go ahead and do it however they so choose. I was digging around. I couldn't really find an answer to that. Maybe we'll get more and more information on this as we roll along this week. But been watching HBAR recently, waiting for an entry point there. I really like where HBAR is. And I would be interested in Solana as well. And if we look at Solana over on our charts, Right now we are getting, on the 4-hour view here, a big momentum down candle that flashed 2 days ago. This was a great indicator. Again, this is XT Algo. This is my indicator flashing right now to basically get out of Solana before it goes ahead and sells off deeper. Well, that's exactly what happened here. If you were looking at the indicator, as soon as it fell below $20, basically, the indicator was flashing to go ahead and, well, not necessarily get out all the way, but momentum down usually indicates that we're going to get some downward pressure. As you can see back here, same thing happened in late August, and same thing happened way back here on August 15th. We got a big momentum down, and I don't know where this falling knife is going to stop. Again, we're watching this area right here on the 4-hour, that $14 range, about $14.50, give or take, somewhere right in there. We'll be tracking that very closely, and if you want to be able to take advantage of when the market's going up, when it's going down for short-term swing trades, try XT Algo. Give it a shot. You've got nothing to lose because it's a 30-day money-back guarantee. I'm going to give you full refund if you don't like it, and you can try this thing right now for $37 instead of $47 for a whole month. There is a discount code. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Link down below in the description. But we'll be watching Sol very closely here as we get closer and closer to Wednesday. I'll be keeping a close eye to see if we can get more insight on FTX, just how much they're able to sell. Is it like a gentleman's handshake, or is there something written in stone where how much they can sell over a 5-year period? We'll try to get to the bottom of that. And if you know something, drop your thoughts, ideas, and anything you can find out down below in the comment section. Appreciate you guys as always. Solana holders, let me know how you're feeling down below. Want to hear from you. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.